Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set camera settings on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, enter your passcode and then click on this profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Go to the options section and click on continuous capture. Go to camera settings, and as you can see you have four features that you can turn on, such as reviewing pictures after capturing them. So tap on this button if you want to enable. Then you can set the quality of your video. You have three options here, and you can check out the file size estimate per minute of the video. So tap on the relevant one you would like to choose. Then you can set the photo quality. You can choose between original, large, medium or small. And you can also turn on the Save Photo GPS Data option, meaning that GPS location data will be saved with file active data, but will not be accessible from Box metadata search. So tap on this one to turn it on, and then you should allow the Box to use your location. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.